Welcome back, people, to another sensational podcast with MYB. Guys, it's Monday. The stock market is open. Some of you guys still sleeping. That is completely fine. At least when you're sleeping, you can still invest, have money work for you. But that being said, people, what I just said, you're alive. Remember one thing, people. You guys are watching the podcast right now all over the world. Grateful for the privilege to even hear my voice, because some people are deaf. Grateful for the privilege to even see this right now. MYB stock market, that means you have sight. Some people can't even see. Remember in the Bible when Jesus had to wipe that dirt and bro eyes to make him see? So at least Jesus don't have to perform a miracle on you. So gratitude for the small things that you have, people. You might think it's not small things, people. But a lot of people out here will be appreciative for the stuff that what you have. So people, take that in mind now, people. The small things add up. Don't be so caught up into wanting more and forgot what you already have now. You know what I'm saying? Be grateful for what you have. Because like Andrew Tate said, bro, it could always get worse. You know what I'm saying? It could always get worse. You know what I'm saying, people? So be appreciative for the small things you have. So without all the positivity in the air, people, like I said, today is what? Monday. So today podcast we can talk about stock market versus trading versus investing, and how to win even when the market is going down, and how to win even in the market is going up, in a bull market, bear market, and low-key in a consolidated market. So check this out, right? We can keep it simple, right? It's the difference between stocks and trading and investing. It's the best time to start even if you're broke. What is the S&P 500 and why the wealthy people love it? How dividends pay you cash flow no matter what. Because if you think about it, right, people, the stock market is like ownership, right? When you buy stocks, you literally buy a piece of a company. We all know that by now. So what I'm telling you guys is just like a refresh. It's like me giving you guys a little recap for the test. So you guys already know this, you know what I'm saying? So like I said, I don't want to waste you guys' time. So I'm appreciative for you guys taking the time to watch this podcast. Because I know at least one person watch the podcast. So you're not retarded yet, because what I'm saying is shit that need to get done, right? Not shit that need to get heard and observed. My shit is 2% listening and 98% doing. So what I'm saying in this podcast, you guys need to take action. If you guys don't take action, then you're completely retarded. But that's fine. Someone gotta be retarded. So, like I said, stocks is ownership, right? You're not buying a symbol like APPL, right? You're just investing in the company. Or if you want to, just buy the whole share and never sell, right? So think about it, right? So, like I said, you're not buying a symbol like Apple. You're buying a part of Apple, right? You own the cash, your assets, and future project, right? Trading, on the other hand, it's a whole different ball game. We have different type of traders. We have scalping, day trader, intraday trading, swing trader, monthly trading. Trading is like you pretty much option put, option call. You can go on trade locker, you can risk $10, you can make $40. But one thing about trading though, it's not about how much money you can make, it's about how much money you can lose, right? It's analytic plays a huge part of it, but the moment you press buy or sell, that's that's what really defines you, right? So trading is short term, buying and selling quickly, trying to profit from price moving. Traders focus on charts, market condition, momentum, risk to reward. Trading is like sprinting, right? Fast wins, but high. Like I said, fast win go off from scalping. If you guys want intraday trading, you guys could hold it through damn near 30 minutes, or swing trading, you guys hold it. But one thing about swing trading though, swing trading is on all of the trading, swing trading could be the most profitable trading, and swing trading is like almost gambling, because you have no control from the market close at 3 o'clock, some of you guys 4 o'clock. You have no say. You have literally, legitly no prediction, no outcome of what happened in the damn near next day. Because news could come out after the market close, and like I said, you can be in a call, but happy news come out next day market open red. So like swing trade is like the most dangerous one, but also could be the most profitable one. You know what I'm saying? So investing, right? Investing is long term. It's about owning company, letting them grow, letting compound work, holding through ups and downs, right? Investing is like running a marathon, steady, slow term payoff. Because think about it, right? The biggest mistake pretty much is what most beginners try to trade like investors, right? Or invest like traders, right? Trading without skills is gambling, like I just said, bro, right? Investing without patience is frustration, right? Choose your role and stick with it, right? Regardless, you could implement all three. You could implement stocks, you could implement trading, and you can implement investing, right? Because as long as you're part of one, automatically you can be part of all. So this is just like I said, a quick recap. Because you guys, I'm proud of you guys for even knowing this shit, what I'm telling you. So at least once you understand what I'm saying, you could be like, yep, I know that shit. Yep, what he's saying, yep, that is true. So what we can talk about, right? When is the best time to start investing? The best time to start investing is as soon as you, as American especially, as long as you guys have a social security number and you guys could access Robinhood or any broker that allow you to invest, go for it. Because even Warren Buffett knows this shit. He doing it from when he was like 10. So it's never a early time to invest and it's never a late time to invest. Now, a late time to invest is when you procrastinate and you wait probably when you're 30, 40, 50. You know what I'm saying? Because why? Investing, you don't make shit ton of money up front. No, it gotta compound like a snowball. It's like it gotta compound. So check this out, right? The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now. You don't need $1,000 or $10,000 to start investing, right? Example, invest $100 a month. Like I said, I don't really care and to tell you guys what to invest because, like I said, all you need is $10, right? All you need is take $10 and buy 10 stocks. Not buy 10 stocks, but put that $10 into 10 stocks, dollar in each stocks. You can put $5 into stocks, $5 into crypto, or $2 into stocks, $3 in crypto, $4 in ETF, $3 in bonds, $1 in REITs. Let me say, people, and eventually that $10 right there is gonna start paying you dividends. Regardless, just hold it, just do not sell it. It's gonna start paying you like maybe a couple cents here and there, and eventually it's gonna stack up, and a year go by. So check this out, right? People delay because of fear, right? Fear of losing money, fear of starting small. That's one thing about humanity, though. Humans are scared of three things: fear of losing the family, fear of going hungry, and fear of losing money. Those three things is damn near crisis for any human. So, like I said, bro, you lose more money staying out of the market than you doing. Listen what I just said, people. You lost more money staying out of the market than you do losing money in it, right? That could be true. That could be false also, because the market is a price. You have to pay a tuition to understand this market. You know what I'm saying? So you do need to have money still to be in the stock market, right? Yes, you can have $25. Best case scenario, invest $10 into investing or the $10 into trading, right? Don't put all your money into one basket into the trading. And what I mean with don't put your eggs in one basket is, for example, you have $50. Don't take that $50 and put it all in trading. Don't take that $50, put it all in investing. Don't take that $50, put it all in stocks, right? Split that $50 into all three, right? Take $20, learn trading, get your emotions going, understand the emotions, master your psychology. Just be aware of your greed, of your fear, of your trauma. That's what trading activate, right? Because if you think about it, right, no one is coming to save you. We all know that. The market at least coming to save you. Like, at least if you invest in yourself, the market is really gonna save you. And they said everyone talk about the S&P 500. So S&P 500 is a list of 500 the largest company in the United States. The 500 of them, but they mainly make up of the Apple. These what I'm about to call these damn near the whole stock market, right? And the rest is just like a there. They just there. But the biggest company is we got Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Tesla, Visa, Coca-Cola, the big boss, Nvidia, then AMD coming up all of a sudden. So like I said, people, right? When you invest in the S&P 500, you're not choosing one company. You're damn near investing in entire United States economy. Look at the S&P 500 as an ETF, right? As a bundle of stocks, or a mutual fund, a bundle of stocks. You know what I'm saying, people? So you don't even have to invest in the S&P 500 because you can get Warren Buffett shares. There's a lot of companies out here that really outperform the stock market, right? But I'm not gonna give you guys that now. You guys gotta do your own research about that. So check this out, people. Why invest to love, right? Historical return, 7 to 10% per year. Lower risk, diversification. No need to pick stocks. Great for beginners, like I said. Why is the rich use it? It's stability. It's long-term growth. It compounds quickly over time. Because check this out, right? If you really think about it, one thing about the stocks, though, when you buy the stocks now, you have to look at these stocks as you're not selling these stocks. Right, you're not selling these stocks. The only reason you're selling these stocks is when they tax you, right? Because if you sell these stocks now, you got to pay a tax, bro, right? If you sell these stocks, you have to pay a fee, right? Then you let your portfolio, I believe in Robinhood, if your portfolio is like over $2,000, you can go and borrow against that, right? So let's say, hypothetically, you buy a stock. You buy Apple. You buy Apple. You put $100 into Apple. Boom. Apple hop in a pump. Boom. Massive pump. Out of nowhere, you wake up. The $100 you put into Apple turn into $10,000. Right? It just turns to $10,000. Do not sell that $10,000. Do not press sell. Do not go and sell it. Right? Go to the bank and ask to borrow against that. Realistically, they might give you like 75% to maybe 90% of the profit that is right there, free and clear. So let's say you go to the bank, they might give you let's say 7,500 or 8,000, and $2,000 remaining. Then you got to pay like a little fee, an interest fee, a payment, whatever, right? Done, right? So at least you get $7,000 clean, no tax. Now let's say you sell that now, and let's say you wake up now and you decide, you know what, oh shit, I just made 10,000, I'm gonna sell that shit, right? So now you sell that. Now when you sell that $10,000, you might not even get 10,000, you might get damn near 8,000, right? You might then get 6,000, right? Because they can charge you a fee for that. And if you just go and borrow against it, it won't be no fee. It will be like straight reducling cash flow coming to your pocket. So check this out, right? How dividends, because dividends is the next one. Dividends is the best one out here, right? How dividends pay you even when the market drop, right? Dividends are profit shares companies pay in dividends, right? Pay investors, my fault. Simple for holding their stocks, right? So it's like Apple, you just own Apple, you just put $10 into Apple, they're gonna pay you. They're gonna pay you as long as the company doing good or bad. Like Coca-Cola is a perfect one. Like you have to do your research, people. Like ask ChatGPT, but before you ask ChatGPT question, put this in front of the line. I need you to talk to me. Like I need you to be completely brutally honest with me as my mentor. Give me stocks that pay me weekly dividends, monthly dividends, and yearly dividends that will not affect the market on a bull or a bear. And then ChatGPT can hook you up with some stocks, right? Because if you think about it, right, it's your life, bro. Right? I'm just here to just refresh your memory, bro. Because you know what I'm saying? Because I'm doing it, bro. So I guess the dividends is gonna pay you regardless. So check this out, right? Trading is about income today. That's day trading, scalping. That shit coming in today. That's money today. Today. No, you could become a billionaire today. You can become but like I said though, with trading, oh boy, trading is a door. When you open that door, your life changed completely forever. There's no going back to who you was. The people who you talk to don't even exist anymore. It's just you and you. That's trading right there, right? Trading is a dangerous profession, right? Trading is dangerous. So trading is about income today, right? Investing is about wealth tomorrow. Stocks are how you own the future, right? The S&P 500 is an easy entry. Dividends are how you get paid heavily. Check this out, right? Here's the question I got for you guys. Do you want to chase money for the rest of your life, or do you want to own things that make you money? Like I always tell people, right? What is something you could work with your mind but not your hand? What could you produce cash flow with? Like, are you good at coding? Are you good at trading? Are you good at drop shipping? Are you good at building websites? Like these are stuff. Are you good at writing a book? Because once you do these stuff once, you never have to do it again. Right? So think about this, right? Because the wealthy people don't work hard. It's not a saying how you gotta work harder to make more money. No. And trading is not that. No, you don't have to work harder to make more money. No, you can just push a button and make money. Right? But there's a knowledge that comes with a price for you to be in a position to just push the button. Right? So check this out, right? You start small, you stay consistent, think long term, don't trade based on emotions, but you guys will still trade on emotion. That's fine, because you guys have to go through a phase. I just can't tell you guys, oh, don't trade of emotion if you guys don't even understand the emotion. So you guys will make emotional trading just to damn they get into the game. So even if you guys do emotional trades, avoid buying the contract for the same day, right? Buy the contract for the next day. Because like I said, it's an emotional trade regardless. So why you want to waste your $10 or $8 or $200 or $500 on today, right? Buy the contract for at least tomorrow. Because why? It wasn't a disciplined trade, so it was an emotional trade. So at least let the emotional trade run for tomorrow. So at least they give you leverage for tomorrow. But then again, tomorrow you have no outcome whether the market goes up or down. But at least it comes with the emotional package because you make an emotional trade. So put tomorrow into your emotional package for the contract. You know what I mean? So don't wait for more money. Start by learning the shit today, right? All you guys gotta do, player. Day trading, go on Bitcoin, USD. The shit never stop. The shit never stop. So go on Bitcoin, USD. Go on the daily time frame. Look for your fair value gaps. Go on the small time frame. Mark up your order block zone. Damn, I'm so appreciative, and like I know this, bro. Like man. But shit wasn't this sweet though, player. Shit wasn't this sweet. So like I said, people, quick recap, player. However you choose to live your life, it's up to you, right? But at least check this out. Get some stocks in your name, people, right? Get some trading. Like learning new skills, get some dividends. Because like I said, people, with everything that I just said today, you guys already know it. You know what I'm saying, people? So it's not like if I waste your guys' time, I just give you guys a little refresher for the test. Because the test will come. So at least I give you guys the cheat code and the note to be ready for the test. So with that being said, people, mind your business.